Mount your camera on a tripod using portrait. Now walk in and make sure you go with two clothes, like you wear a white cloth under, then you can cover it with this other color, understand? So try to uncover this white cloth, you get my point. So now this thing does not work on all the backgrounds, understand? As you can see the video I just played, I used blue background because it selects background. Sometimes you may not work on your own background, so I had to use this blue background. So what you do from here, after recording the video, so you can now save the video to your gallery, then head over to your browser. Let's go and download the background. So on your Google browser, you can type download blue background, you get my point. So when you are done with that, you click on the search button. So let's go and see blue background. So look at blue background here. So you can select any of these blue backgrounds, understand? Any of them, make sure it's plain, you get my point. So now press and hold the image. You will see these options where you can download the image, copy image. So I download it, so you can download it also to your gallery, you get my point. So now make sure there is a video you want to use for this transition. So when you're done with all this, let's head over to Capcut, you get my point. Now click on new project. What you have to do first is to go and bring that photo, the image you just downloaded, that blue background. Now bring it to Capcut. At this point I don't like this ratio, so what you do from here is let's go to aspect ratio. Go to aspect ratio, tap on it. You want to use TikTok ratio, so click on TikTok ratio. Now tap on OK. So now you can place two fingers on your screen, resize it, make sure it fits to screen, you get my point. Let me know you get my point in the comment section. So tap on the edge of this blue screen, drag it. You can drag it up to 20 seconds or 25 seconds or thereabouts. Now what you do next is go to overlay, click on overlay, add overlay. Now what you add here again is go to the video you just recorded. Now bring the video to Capcut, make sure it fits to screen, tap the finger on your screen and drag it to fit to screen, you get my point. So you can do some adjustment at the end of the video, delete some parts which you don't need to be included at the end of the video, like what you are seeing on your screen, you get my point. Something like that. So now what we will do from here is you want to go and remove background. So go to remove BG. Now tap on remove BG. So click on auto removal, so it will remove the background. Guys, if you have a background, a blue background, you don't need to download the background again, you get my point. So this one is for those that does not have blue background, so you follow this process. I believe you get my point. So now you can save this video, save this shit to your gallery, bro. So before we continue, guys, please like this video so that YouTube will be able to distribute it to many people, to more people, you understand? You know, we need to grow, you get my point. So please like this video, make sure you subscribe if you've not subscribed to this channel. If this is your first time watching this video, subscribe so you won't miss out on our amazing tutorial, you get my point. So now chat me up on WhatsApp if you want to learn the basics of video editing, you get my point. Now click on new project. So you have to bring that image you downloaded, go to photos, go and bring that image you downloaded, that blue background. That's what we need right now. So you add it to your Capcut. Now this aspect ratio, me, I don't like it, so I have to click on aspect ratio here, still bring it back to TikTok, you get my point. Now drag it to fit to screen, you know all this now, you know all this. So you have to still tap at the end of it, just drag it, make sure you extend it to either 25 or 20 or thereabouts. So when that one is done, guys, you are good to go. So go to overlay. Where is overlay? Now click on overlay. Click on this shit, bro. Click on add overlay. Now what you add here is the video you want to use for this transition. Look at my own, I've added this video. So you bring it to Capcut. I downloaded this video from TikTok, understand? So you bring it to Capcut. Now look at the video here. Click on this navigation key. Now go back, add the main video you removed background. The video you removed background. Now add it. Am I too fast? Guys, am I too fast? Now drag it to fit to screen. Please let me know if I'm too fast. Drag it to fit to screen. So guys, please pay close attention here. This point where you want to reveal the inner white cloth, you get my point? What you will do here, go to remove BG. Go to remove BG. Tap on remove BG. Click on chroma key. Now hover this circle to that white color, to this white color. Make sure it is on the white color. Now click on intensity. Just make it 1. Just 1. You get my point? Make the intensity 1. You understand what I'm saying? Now tap on shadow. You can increase the shadow to 100. You get my point? Just increase it to 100. So you can now tap on this OK icon and let's go. You guys, I believe you understand what I'm saying. So as you can see, look at this, look at my face. You can see this particular spot on my face. I don't like it, understand? So you know why? Because I had to remove background. I removed background. I'm not using the main background, so I removed background. That is why it is showing this black spot, my head and my hand, my two hands. So but we will have to make sure that's covered. You don't want that to show. You get my point? So that's just it, guys. So now tap on each of the layers, click on split, then delete the ending part of it. You get my point? So if you have this same issue while trying to edit it, don't worry, just tap on this add overlay. Tap on this plus icon, add overlay. Now bring that same video, the same video you removed background, bring it back to Capcut. Now adjust it, make sure you adjust it to fit to screen. Make sure it fits with the first one. Everything is set. You get my point? So now when it is set, you have to, let's go and look for mask. Now tap on mask, click on horizontal. Make sure you bring it up to where it will not reveal the white cloth, something like what you are saying. So at this, we don't even need chroma key at this point, so you just have to drag the icon to make sure it doesn't reveal the white cloth. So you have something like this. You get my point? So you can just leave it there. You can decide to split and cut the video and delete the video, but you can decide to leave it this way. So now I noticed my hands were still shaking. There's this the spot is still there on my hands. If you can see, the face is very clear, but the hand is still having issues. You get my point? So we will have to do the same thing. We have to do the same thing so we can cover the hand also, so it will not show all these spots, this black spot. So now tap on this navigation button right here. Now click on add overlay. Bring back that same video, just bring it back. Drag it to fit to screen like you did before, understand? Now bring it to the beginning of the video. So what you will do next from here is you have to tap on the layer, this layer right here. Tap on this layer. Now go and look for mask. Go and look for mask. Click on mask. Click on horizontal, understand? So you will have to let the video play so you will understand where you are adjusting it to. So you have to turn it to 70 or 90 degrees so that it will reveal these cars, understand? So you place it somewhere like this. You can play around with this place. So now this layer will cover that spot on your hand. You get my point? So that is justice. So now we will have to do the same thing with the right hand. Tap on this navigation button. Now click on add overlay. Bring back that same video you recorded. Add it to Capcut. Also adjust it. Place 2 fingers on your screen. Make it fit to screen. You get my point? Now let the video play till when it gets to where you're about to open the cloth. Somewhere here. Now go and look for mask. Go and look for mask. Okay, see mask. Click on mask. Click on horizontal. Click on it. So now you will adjust it in the opposite direction of the first one. You get my point? Something like this. So now this other layer will also cover the hand. It will not allow us to see the black spot on the hands again. So that is how I did this. That is how I edited this video. You get my point? So that is just it, guys. I believe you've learned, and make sure you like this video. Make sure you share this video. If you want to have a private class with me, you want me to teach you the basics about video editing, guys, chat me up on WhatsApp. You want me to be your mentor, to mentor you either for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, or as long as you want it to be, please chat me on WhatsApp. My phone number is in the description of this video, so you can get it there. You get my point? Please and please, I don't need unserious people. I have so many people on my WhatsApp and most of them are not serious. So if you are very serious, you really want to learn video editing, chat me on WhatsApp. Understand? I charge, but it's affordable. You get my point? So that is justice. So guys, you can now save this video to your gallery. So let's see what we got. See you in our next video.